What do you see really as kind of the opportunity for growth investing in climate and sustainability?
If you take out the word climate, I think every growth investor that says, I want to invest in the large sectors which are going to explode in next 5 to 10 years. They don't care what it looks like. Now, when they look at India and they say mobility is exploding, they will invest in mobility. They look at agri-tech, which at some point of time was not even a sector. Now it's a well-growing sector. They are willing to come in because now they understand the regulatory challenges also of the sector. Same goes for energy. I think what was earlier, say, solar, wind, more project finance. Now it is about energy storage. It is about grid security. It is about more energy transparency between various parties, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's where they want to invest. So if I take the label off, I can talk to a Beyond Net Zero and I can talk to a decarb fund. But at the same time, if you talk to a GA, if you talk to Anderson, if you talk to all the large capital, GC, all the large capital allocators, they think of it as, can this make money for me? Let me invest.